First off, thank you so much for checking out my channel. We were specifically talking about the state exam prep, but guess what? We talked about so many math concepts. It was amazing. Thank you for the feedback. Thank you for the suggestion. Let's get right into it. And what is a line plot? A line plot, if you think about it, if you remember the bar graph and things like that, it's just pretty much a set of values, and then it's multiples of that one value or more than one of that one thing, right? So let's say we're talking about shoe sizes in this example, right? We have 6.5 foot size, we have a 7 and an 8. 6.5, we see that we have two x's here. And in the question, it may say the x represents, which is a very common term in math, 2. So that means that each time you see that x, it's a 2. So that would be 2 and another 2, which we could either do 2 times 2 to find out that there's 4, or we could just do 2 plus 2, which gives us 4. Now for the 7, x, we have 1x, so that means that it could be, it's just 2. So for the size 7 shoe, because we're talking about this size shoe, it's just 2. Now for 8, we have 3 x's, or 2 3 times, which we can do 2 times 3, which gives us 2, 4, 6. That would give us 6 size 8 shoes. And the typical question that they would ask you is they may ask you, what is the total amount of shoes that we have here? But let's say that was the case here. Well, if that was the case, we would have to do, this is 4, right? We have a total of 4 here. We have a total of 2, and we know that we did the math here, so that would be 6. So for this example, all we would have to do is add 4 plus 2 plus 6. We'll do 6, 7, 8. 8 and 4 is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that means that answer would be 12. Well, if you found this helpful, get excited because on Monday, we're going to start going live. So it's going to be Monday Math Lives. We're going to go there, and any questions you have, feel free to let me know. You can email them. You can also tell me in the live, chat in the chat box, so we can all learn together. And I'm so excited. Can't wait to see you. Until next time. Bye.